Hey guys, we're back. We're doing a little test video of the welder. Right now we're just testing the MIG operations of it. We've got hard wire in it, so no flux core or anything. So we've got some hard wire. We got gas hooked up, 7525. Show the screen, I'll show the settings that we have it set on. It is currently hooked up to 110 amps, or 110 volts I mean. We've got it set up on MIG mix. Our gas is set to 25. So we're going to give a little test video or test weld here and see how it does. I can tell you might have to play with the settings a little bit. Either I'm going too fast or not sure yet. So let's see what we can change on this thing. I feel like I need more heat. So I'm going to turn the heat up. Let's go to 19 volts and let's see what we got here. And I want to say this wire is what, 030 wire?
Yep.
And this is a 1/8 1-inch square tubing. I don't know if this stuff is used to my size beads. Let's see here. We're going to try another setting. I'm going to push this one. Come over here and show them that. So you push this left one, and then you can increase your heat without increasing your wire speed. So we're going to go to 10. It's 10% more, so it'll give us about 21. This May flipper breaker, you see we're still at 110. That's what I like to see. Nice and flat weld, there's no concave, no convex. So yeah, I would say you might want to, if you're doing thicker parts of steel, you might want to increase the amps 10% or so. I'll show you. That's what's going on. I'll let you see it when he stops. What we have it set to. Alright, let's zoom in on this thing. Nice and hot. That was a pull, and not a push, or that was a pull push. That was a push weld, and then this was a pull weld. There you go. Here's the settings. It works good for 1-inch square tubing, 1/8 wall, 21 volts, and the 350 meters per minute. Alright guys, thank you. Alright, well, you'll see us back when we get to the stick and to the other stuff that we can try out.